Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the pointer speed on your Samsung Galaxy A02 phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear icon. And then you want to scroll down and select the system tile. And then select the keyboard tile near the top. And then pointer speed should be at the bottom of this list. Go ahead and select it. And then you can make it slower by dragging this bar to the left. Otherwise, you can move it to the right to make it faster. And then select OK to save the change. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.